up, everyone? This is Elijah coming at you with another video from the app Lifestyle, the place where the world is literally in the palm of your hand. On this channel, we talk about any kind of app that makes you money or is convenient. In this video, we're going to be talking about investing apps, or not one in particular, but rather what y'all want to see for the future of this channel. Now, y'all know that recently I put out the Robinhood review app. That's the app that you can use to invest in the stock market. And some of y'all in the comments of that video said that y'all are particularly interested in what I have to say about certain things in terms of the stock market. Now, I know a lot of people that are on these apps that promote these apps for the referrals, whatever the reason may be. They don't talk about the strategies of the stock market. I'm not talking about like channels that talk about investing regularly. I'm talking about primarily the people who are covering apps like Uber, Lyft, Postmates, whatever. They get involved with these investment apps and they post their link to be signed up and all that. And they don't ever really talk about it, the stock market. I couldn't in good conscience do that because I'm technically doing the same thing. I would feel better if I could share my view on certain things as well as certain strategies I use to determine if stocks are valuable or not. And based on what y'all have been telling me, y'all actually do want the same thing, but this is just a confirmation on that. So if y'all want to see videos where I actually talk about strategies I use in the stock market, because I'm a long-term investor, and particularly I'm looking for stocks to pay dividends, put a thumbs up on this video. If I get enough thumbs up, that signals that y'all are interested in that kind of content, and I'll make more videos on it. For instance, how to analyze a company based on the dividend yield, how to determine if the dividend is safe or is it subject to being cut in the future or eliminated. See, these are things I would love to talk about, but I would need to know that y'all would support that content, and I would love to do that since I'll be reviewing investment apps on this channel. It just seems kind of shallow to start reviewing these apps and then not even talk about strategies that y'all can use to invest in the stock market for long term like me. Now, if you're short term, this isn't going to be the channel for you, okay? But that's what this video is about. So smash that thumbs up button if y'all want to see content like that, which it sounds like y'all do. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Until the next time, peace out.